Welcome to part 8, The Great Deception and the Restoration. When God formed Israel, he asked Moses to build him a sanctuary, a sacred space where he could dwell among his people. This sanctuary wasn't just a place of worship, it was a living picture of God's plan to save us. Every part of it pointed to Jesus. Inside were special items, each with a meaning. The altar of sacrifice, where animals were offered, pointing to Jesus' future sacrifice. The laver, a basin for washing, symbolizing cleansing and baptism. The table of showbread, showing how God nourishes us spiritually. The altar of incense, symbolizing our prayers rising to heaven. The seven-branched candlestick, representing God's light and truth. And the Ark of the Covenant, holding the Ten Commandments, representing God's law of love. The sanctuary was like a divine storybook, a way for people to see and understand how God would rescue them through the Messiah. But Satan hated the sanctuary because it revealed the truth about God's love, and he wanted to hide that light. So he worked through a religious system to distort the truth. Forgiveness was sold, baptism was changed, the Bible was hidden, prayer was ritualized, light was dimmed, and the Sabbath was replaced. But God raised up reformers. Luther restored grace, Baptists restored baptism, translators restored the word, missionaries relit the light, and now God is restoring his law of love, specifically the Sabbath and confronting idolatry which took his place. Jesus says, "If you love me, keep my commandments." Thank you for watching part 8. See you in part 9.